Happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come, more blessings. And I'm so glad and blessed that I'll be a part of this family. Maraming salamat po for everything that you and your family have done to all of us. Good health and happiness to you and to your family.
Tito Ding, happy 75th birthday and many more birthdays to come. And hope to see you soon. Just to tell a little bit of story about Tito Ding. Medyo strict siya pagdating sa mga gamit niya. Kaya kailangan pag naghiram ka, balik mo agad. No? So, Tito Ding, pag dating nyo dito, marami na kayong pagbabakasyonan. Meron sa Tagaytay, may bagong gawa si Ate Si, doon kayong tulog. No? Then, later on,
Bago tayo bahay.
Dodi meron. Then, kung saan nyo gusto, si Kuya Efren. So, ingat na lang kayo dyan, and happy birthday ulit.
O, silang masabi ko, Ding, happy birthday.
Tito Ding, happy birthday. God bless always. And thank you for helping our family all the time. And sila naalala ko Ding, strict din siya when it comes to his children, especially the boys. Kasi laging late na nagigising yung mga 11. Tapos release ka niya ng tubig yung mga yun. Para lang magising. So yun. Thank you so much and good yan.
Kuya Ding, happy birthday. Happy 75th birthday. Sana umabot ka pa ng 100 years para makasama-sama tayo, maging masaya tayo. Alam mo, Kuya Ding, hindi kita malilimutan kasi ikaw yung naghatid sa akin ako ikisa. Talagang napakabait. Wala kami masabi. Kami mga pamilya namin. Sobrang bait. Happy birthday, Kuya Ding.
Happy birthday!